Hi everyone, it's Professor Hall. Welcome to week 7. So far we've been talking about a few points of analysis: audience, purpose, and tone. This week we're going to dig even deeper into ways we can analyze an article, and we're going to look at the 3 pillars of argument, which are ethos, pathos, and logos. A lot of people get these mixed up. Don't worry, there's a lecture for you about the 3 different pillars of argument. But basically, ethos is the word that we get ethics from, and it has to do with arguments of character. So an ethical argument, possibly made by a politician, an article where they want to ethically cite all of their sources, a person who says, buy this product because I'm a good person and I use it and it works for me. Those are all ethical arguments. Those are based in ethos. Pathos is the same word that we get pathetic, sympathetic, and empathetic from. Also, the word passion comes from it too in English. The TH changes into an SS. So you can kind of think a bit like sympathy. But essentially, pathos is the use of emotion to make an argument. So this would be someone who says, this situation is going on and it's hurting families and it's sad and therefore we should fix the situation. That would be an example of pathos. Or another great example I think I might have used in the lecture is, these animals are so small and we have to take care of them, so adopt an animal from a shelter. That would be a really good use of pathos. Logos is using logic. So it's the same L-O-G. It's the same word that we get logic from. And that's where people use things like facts and statistics and data to try to argue their point. So maybe the person says, oh, we need to adopt a puppy because I just love puppies so much. And that's pathos. But the person using logos says, we can't afford a dog right now because even from a shelter it costs $300 and we don't have that money. That would be an example of logic in using an argument. So make sure that you watch the lecture to understand those 3 pillars a bit more. I go into more depth. And then you're going to take the same article that you've been looking at for the past couple weeks, and you're going to do a few things. First, you're going to work on writing an introduction for your essays. That's your essay checkpoint. I have another video in this unit about how to write a thesis statement, so make sure you watch that. And then you're going to be answering questions. Where does the author use ethos? Where does the author use pathos? Where does the author use logos? And then which type of argument was most effective in the article that you chose? So this is going to really serve as the basis for your analysis essay, which we're going to be working on soon. If you have any questions, as always, you can let me know. Thanks, everyone.